Hi, I'm Emma with Pillboxdesigns and welcome to our studio. Today we're going to be demonstrating our new wall stripes. Wall stripes are a great way to create a accent wall that you don't want a solid color. Personally, I like stripes. I like black and white stripes. It kind of goes with my Beetlejuice-esque theme in my home. Wall stripe, when you order a wall stripe, they're going to come like this on sheets. This particular set is 5-inch wide by 106 inches tall. Now, on my site, I do offer them in a standard 96-inch length, which is 8 feet. Obviously, I have bigger walls, or I should say 9 feet. I have taller walls, and I needed a little bit more length. And so if you find you need a little bit more length, just let me know, and I can always cut them to the proper length for you. And same thing with the width. If you want a different widths of stripes, we can do that too. Anyway, let's get started on these. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to separate them. I'm just going to kind of cut them along there, and then we're going to go ahead and move over to the wall where I've already got it pre-measured. So let's get started. All right, so this is where I'm going to be putting the stripes. I want it to go all the way across and above the door. So I've cut one of the stripes out already, and what I'm going to do to get started is I'm going to peel back. I'm going to do this down here to show you. Normally I would do it up there once I'm on the ladder. I'm going to peel back just a little bit, as you can see. And the idea is I'm going to fold this down like this. And so the idea is that I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to go ahead and line that up on the wall and against here, because that's where I want to get my first one started. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna tack that down. Finger tack. Make sure we got it nice and straight, and then we're just kind of drop it down and make sure that we are nice and straight as we come across. Because what I want to do is we're going to come across. We're going to line it up right on that edge to get our first one going. Lift it up just a bit. I'll try to get as much close to that straight edge as possible, which is going to help it drop straight. Sorry, I had to cut there for a second. All right, so let's get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of pull the backing down as I'm squeegeeing. I'm going to actually bring the backing down just a tad because I want to make sure I get a little crooked here, and I want to make sure that I am in the proper position. It's still a little bit crooked, and I'm just kind of a perfectionist here, so I'm just going to be crazy. You see how easy it comes off. You just don't want to have it come off too much, and so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little squeegee here, and let's start coming down. It's a little bit. I'm going to have to come back up again. So I'm going to have to try this way. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I've got a nice straight. Now you see how forgiving this is. Like you pull it off. Now until you really squeegee it in there, it's still going to come off fairly easy. And obviously you can see that's when you're ready to take it off, it comes off super easy. gets it in to the crevices. Because I have a slightly textured wall. And it doesn't always stick very well at textured walls, which is good and bad in that it's going to come off fairly easily when I'm ready to move and take this down, take these down. Oh, hi, welcome back. So I've had a little time to clean up and add my pictures to the wall. So I want to take a few minutes and talk about and some of the questions that I get about these decals. The biggest question I get is it renter friendly? And the answer to that is yes, it is. And by that I mean that this particular type of decal is designed for temporary use. It was originally designed for trade shows and exhibitions, only last like a week or two and then come right off. It's been adapted for vinyl wall designs, and they've also even re-engineered some of the adhesive so that it is a little bit more removable than it had been before. Now the big question is, will it damage your walls? That is going to depend on a lot of factors. What type of paint was used on your wall, how it was painted, how it was prepped, and also with it, colors and that sort of thing. So the general answer is no. It will not damage your walls or not cause a significant amount of damage other than maybe a little bit of flaking as it comes off, especially with a textured wall like I have. I typically find that these textured walls are a little bit better in that because of the texture, the adhesive never really fully grabs onto the wall. It won't come off, but it does make it a little bit easier to take off when you're ready to take it off. And to take it off, it's actually a fairly simple process, depending on how old the vinyl is. Obviously, if it's a fresh vinyl like this right now, like obviously this went on yesterday, I could literally just kind of pick it up and peel it and just yank on it and it just come right off. As long as I don't touch it, it's going to stay on there for a couple of years. I have not outlived a vinyl yet indoors. And so I'm going to be doing a video fairly soon. I'm actually going to be taking down one of the decals I have in the house that I put up about a year ago. I just want to show people what the process is, so look for that video. But again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the vinyl, about how to do this, definitely let me know. I am always happy to answer questions and help our customers be successful in spookifying your house. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and visit our shop at www.pillboxdesigns.com. Thank you.